All right, we have another project. I've been working on this Technics turntable. As you can see, there's a lot of scratches on the top of the plinth. It's not an expensive turntable, but I'd like to get it looking good. There are no scratches where the controls are underneath here. The sides are pretty decent, and all around this area, the tone arm and that control. Obviously the platter is okay. So I went ahead and I taped up the whole platter. I could have done the inside, but I decided to do it like that. I still have to tape up the back and the one side, but it's the first time I'm working on respraying. I'm gonna go to somewhere, Walmart probably, and get some nickel silver and just spray this whole thing. I still have to protect this too, the quartz display, quartz piece. So I gotta cover that up and cover the rest of this front up and the side so I don't get any overspray on it. But we'll see how it works out. I don't know. This, like I said, this is the first time I'm respraying an entire plinth. And we'll see how this goes. So I finished spraying the top and the plinth, and I ripped off this one side, the tape and stuff, but I ripped that off by mistake. But I started ripping off the front. I thought I'd go ahead and video record that. And I mean, it's a little different shade, but I think it's going to work out fine. It's hard to tell when you look at the sides compared to the top. So I'm going to go ahead and rip all this off and put it back together and see how it looks. Okay, so here's the final product. All those scratches have been covered up and everything works fine. And like I said, a little bit of a color difference, but it was a color difference in the first place, so it's pretty hard to tell. You might be able to tell a little bit better with this with the camera. But anyway, it's done and it looks good. Thanks for watching.